Leopard na helmet nicio nguru iria ciuikaine makiria guku bururi-ini cigikuruhanio na thibindi ya gikiro gia thi muno kuona nyumba yacio ni ndungu na ndito. No ni uwi bururi wa Kenya ni mucii kuri nguru iria iri ihenya kana thibindi ya iguru muno.
It's a very small tortoise that many times that I've discovered that it's actually neglected. It's not recognized in many aspects because people are aware of the bigger tortoises like the leopard tortoise, the helmeted tortoise.
Athaitiri na arangiria nyamu cia githaka moigite nguru ino yoikaine ta pancake ikihananio na mukorogo kuona nyumba yake ni njeke na huthu.
That's the pancake tortoise. It's a small animal you can hold on your palm like this. It's actually it has all aspects of a tortoise. It has a shell, it has carapace. It hinds its hand, it can remove out its hand, it walks around the rock crevices, it takes fins on herbs, specific herbs.
Mumbire wa nguru ino mihotithagia guthii na thibindi ya iguru ndu uria mihotithagia gwithema ugwati o wothe.
Many times you'll find them living in one crevices with the snakes. They are at peace. So you are very careful when you are retrieving them. You might end up looking at a cobra or so you need to be very careful.
Dagitari Dominic Maringa muthaitiri wa nyamu cia githaka no rio rekuruhania no thaitiri wa nguru ici oigite mugaru na ugi ongiona nguru metha-ini ukamenya hari mundu umeigireire ino ngimiona mahiga iguru menya niyo itwarire.
Drives in rock crevices hidden inside cobbles of very difficult rocks in the cracks and only comes out in specific times, and when it is very sure their enemies are not around, that's when it just crawls out of the crevices and goes to look for food or water.
No kuringana nake na riboti ya urumwe wa kimabũrũri wigie nyamu iria cirĩ ũgwati-inĩ wa kũhuka IUCN, nguru ĩno ĩrĩ ũgwati-inĩ wa kũhuka makĩria nĩ UGWIMI ĩkĩendio na ngungo nja wa bũrũri.
Key threats to that animal is pet trained. It's actually captioned. It's a very innocent animal, naive, can put in your bag, and it is sold. People keep them as domestic pets, and that activity, that kind of business really drives beyond our boundaries. So you realize that some people come here in Kenya maybe looking for them and they buy illegally, they trade.
Ugwati ungi ugomeire nguru ino ni mawitikio ma ndurire iria ciri hakuhi na cikaro ciacio igikuruhanio nogo na munyaka muru.
For example, sorcery and witchcraft. People think that this one is associated with witchcraft, and they cannot, whoever comes across it has got a bad omen, and therefore the answer is to eradicate it immediately.
Dagitari Maringa acakaite cikaro cia nguru ino cithiete na mbere na kwenjwo mahiga urimi oro undu umwe no cenjia wa riera thuingi ciayo ari ngui cia mutitu na ciho.
We have extended the awareness to the surrounding communities, especially community conservancies, to hand the pancake tortoise to their list of animals to be monitoring. And we have trained the scouts, the rangers there, how to identify the rock areas that they are found. That is now habitat analysis. And they are able to retrieve with some specific tools.
Muthemba wa nguru ino wonekaga bururi-ini wa Kenya makiria rugongo rwa bururi na Tanzania tu.
Few years ago, we discovered pancake tortoise around Lewa on the northern boundary. A few of our rangers stumbled on that kind of a small tortoise. Before they used to think it is a stunted or a small baby tortoise that is coming up, is growing. But with kind of curiosity, we went there with a few of our friends and made some finds of discovering pancake tortoises within Lewa.
Nguru ino rita ria mbere yonekanire rũriĩ-inĩ rwa nyamũ rwa Lewa kaunti-inĩ ya Meru mwaka-inĩ wa 2019 kuria uthuthuria na mitaratara ya gucigitira na guciciarithania yambikirwo.
What I have found, because I leaned in that research, is that there is very low awareness in the region about pancake tortoise. It is actually a critically endangered animal as well. It is in CITES and actually requires protection. What we do is, after we locate a pancake tortoise in its dwelling, we retrieve it, and we look at data like sex, like carapace length, and we insert PIT transponders, and we take a few data for analysis. We have also taken samples, the cloacal swabs, at least for DNA analysis.
Mitaratara ino namba ya nguru ici ni ambatirite nginyagia 249. Uthuthuria wa ciikaro ingi rugongo rwa bururi ugithie na mbere kuria ruhonge rwa kuramata nyamu cia githaka KWS ruguritie mubango wa kumba mawatho marumu ma gucigitira.
I'm glad that there is an ongoing national conversation now currently taken up by Kenya Wildlife Service, and actually using our findings within this landscape, we are in the process of developing national species recovery strategy for pancake tortoises.
Na riu mundu angikwirora thie kahora ta nguru muria athathaure ni iriku. Kameme TV tabarira ya maria maturigiceirie ngikuhe uhoro gitau njeta gitau wa Wanjiku.